So I am here to challenge you to help your mom. Hi guys, Aradhya here. How are you all? I hope you all are doing well. So today I am here to show you how I help my mom in everyday life. You know, when I help my mom, I get to learn lots of new things. So I am here to challenge you to help your mom. You can choose your own ways to help your mom. I am going to show you my ways. So let's come with me. I'll show you how. This is the way I help my mother in kitchen. I wash utensils. I started washing utensils when I was 5 years old. I don't wash big utensils, but I used to wash small utensils like plates, cups, spoons, and bowls. Two times I clean this coffee table and dining table as well to help my mother. Friends, do you know when I started to help clean the coffee table and dining table? At the age of 3. Look, it's done now. So here is the third one. What I do to help my mom. It's very easy and you should learn how to fold your clothes. And you must fold your own clothes by yourself. So let's start. Do you know when I fold clothes, I separate them. These are my clothes, my brother's clothes, my lowers and his lowers. Do you know when I started folding my own clothes? When I was the age of 2. Let's keep it in the cupboard. So here my mama has kept some washed vegetables and I have to keep them in the bag. First let's put capsicums. it's 8:30 now and I already have my dinner. Now I'm going to go on bed. So in this way, I keep my room tidy before going to bed. This is my everyday routine. So, are you guys ready for the challenge? So you can all tell me what you all did to help your parents in the comments box. So it's almost 8:30 now and it's time to go to bed. So bye bye for now friends. Be happy, be healthy and don't forget to subscribe my channel.